Hello, this is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta, down here in Jackson, Georgia. Today's truck for you is a 2023 Peterbilt 389 flat top, 63-inch bunk, 13.2 steer axle, 270-inch wheelbase, Peterbilt wheels, riding around on some 11R 22.5s. .336 gears, 40,000 pound rear suspension. Window in the back of the bunk. Let's take a look underneath the hood. Got a 500 horsepower Cummins X15. It's paired with a 13-speed manual transmission. Let's take a look inside. Cloth seats, remote keyless entry. Mattress, back bunk window, side door, our sleeper controls, plenty of storage. Storage cabinet. Auxiliary power ports. Fold away armrests on the seats. This truck has only got 99,000 miles on it. It's not even close to being broke in yet. If this truck is something you think you can use, give me a call. 706-372-4698.